Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to something brand new. This is my first time showcasing ActorCore to you all. This is a website that I've been keeping a close eye on. If you're into game development, animation, or 3D art, this site is a hidden gem for finding AAA quality assets that are easy to use and looks absolutely incredible. Here's the best part. Sometimes they offer free assets for us to download and use in our projects. That's right, top-notch, professional AAA quality assets for free. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 amazing assets that's currently on ActorCore that you can download now for free. Here's a quick preview of what they are. Here's how you can get to the free assets. Once you visit the website, click on the actor on the top and select this free option on the top left side, and then you'll see your 4 free assets ready for you to claim. First up, we have this Casual F0137 asset. This is a versatile female character perfect for a modern casual setting. The female character is actually ready for a wintry setting as well with the sweater on. Whether you're working on a cityscape or a shopping mall scene or even in an in-office environment, this character adds a touch of realism and style. Next we have is the Toon Goon, a fun and exaggerated cartoon style character with tons of personality. This character is ideal for lighthearted projects, animations, or even games with a quirky vibe. This asset is guaranteed to grab attention. And the last 2 is a party duo. We have the party male 001 and we also have the party female 001. These characters are dressed to impress and are perfect for a party scene, social gatherings, or any vibrant celebratory environment. Or you can throw them into a zombie game and make them shoot some zombies and kill it. To download these characters, simply select the character that you like, or all 4 of them, add to your cart, and then go to your checkout, and click on checkout, and that's it. Your order is complete. And now on the bottom right, select download in my inventory, and you got your character ready for you to download right away. And you get to choose which application that you're going to be using the character in, and it's going to come in with the correct skeleton and the skeleton name set up. Alright folks, I hope you find this video useful and go download these 4 assets for free today. Make sure you create an account with ActorCore before you're able to actually download these assets and save them to your inventory. Even if you don't use these assets now, you never know when you will require an asset like this in the future, so it's always good to just download it and hold it in your profile, and when you need it, it's always there for you. Once again, for content like this, please feel free to like this video and also subscribe. I'm always on the lookout for free assets in different websites, and I will be notifying you through these videos in my channel of all of these great deals for you to use. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, have yourself a great day.